Welcome to the Delaware Mortgage Rate Weekly Mortgage Market Update for the week of October 15th, 2012. Hello, I'm John Thomas with Primary Residential Mortgage here to give you your update. Well, if we take a look at the bond chart, we can see early last week the bond was selling off and home loan rates were getting higher. That was on some good news. And then at the end of the week with the Federal Reserve buying, you can see that mortgage rates did recover as the bond went up. Rates came back down and are back about all-time historic lows. So again, mortgage rates at all-time historic lows. We are recommending locking in your Delaware mortgage rate. And what was the good news at the beginning of the week that helped mortgage rates go up? Well, there was consumer sentiment came out at a 5-year high at 83.1. So that means consumers are excited about the economy, think the outlook is getting better, so they're going to be spending money. The initial jobless claims for last week came in at a 5-year low, or 4.5-year low of 339,000 claims. And then we saw the foreclosure activity, as reported by RealtyTrack, was at a 5-year low for filings in September 2012. And that's down from 7% from August 2012 and down 16% from last year. So for foreclosing filings, that looks good on the surface of the report. But it doesn't tell the whole story in some regions, because some regions the numbers are down because the filings themselves have been delayed. So we will see those pick up, and that's because of some laws that have been changed. The banks have delayed while they make sure to comply with the law. So once they comply with the law, you're going to see those filings jump up. There was some bad news at the end of the week also. The IMF, the International Money Fund, basically said the world economy is growing at 3.3%. That's the slowest since 2009. And they basically said if Europe and the United States does not get their budget deficits under control, it will continue to drag on the world economy and it could slow down even more. So, again, mortgage rates, all-time historic lows, great time to purchase or refinance a home. We are recommending locking your rate if you're closing in the next 30 days. As you can see from the bond chart we had up earlier, the bond is very volatile, up and down, up and down. That means rates are going up, down, as they teeter with the all-time record low. So it's in your best interest right now to go ahead and lock in those rates. In the local news, the next free first-time homebuyers seminar is Saturday, October 20th. That's in Newark, Delaware at the Christiana Hilton Hotel. 2 sessions to choose from, 10 a.m. to noon or 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. And then the next one in Dover is Tuesday, October 23rd, and that is from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. at the Dover Sheraton in Dover. You can register for either one of those seminars by giving us a call in the office at 302-703-0727, or you can register online, www.delawarehomebuyerseminar.com. If you need help with any of the mortgage programs out there, veterans, VA, USDA, FHA, FHA 203K rehab, conventional, all those programs is a great time to buy, whether you're refinancing person. Give us a call. We'll do a free mortgage analysis for you at 302-703-0727, or you can apply online, www.pyramiddelaware.com. Look forward to seeing you next week.